So if you like screwing around with old boats, this here's what Nirvana looks like. What a mess. Jeez. There's Maddie right there. My dog Madeline. Wires going in here. But check this out. Cold water. Hot water. Oh yeah. The shower's working too. You can here's the cold water here. And then you can hear the water heater click on and ignite if the gas was turned on. Hot and cold running water. Whoa. It's exciting. And the pump down here, the pump out is working. Just getting wired back to the panel. Might yet play a tune this afternoon here. Okay. Oh, here's the other thing that makes a man glad. Check that out right there. You know what that is? That's dog poop on the deck. That's a major coup right there. That's what that is. Congratulations, Madeline. Whoa. You did good, Madeline. Yes, you did.